Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to install these LED light bar mounts on the Jeep. These go over the front windshield pillar. The top here is for your LED light bar. It'll work with this 50-inch LED light bar. And then you got options to install your LED cubes at the bottom. So it should be a pretty easy install. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is pull back your A-pillar trim. Just you got two little covers right here. Pull them off, and it's two Phillips screws. You just need enough where you can pry this back to run your wires, and do the same thing on the other side. You don't have to completely remove these, you just need room to run your wires through. So right here is how these mount on. They just go right on the front pillar. You can take you a Sharpie and make a mark where you need this to sit so you know where to drill all the holes at. Then after you get everything lined up, you can go ahead and bolt this down or however you want to mount it. Okay, now after you get everything bolted down, you can go ahead and install your lights. And they leave you these little hoses right through here so you can run your wires through. You just need to get a drill bit. Alright, after you mount all your lights you want, you can go ahead and run your wires. So I like the way these look. I think it looks pretty good. And I can always add another cube if I want to. But that's how you install the LED pillar mounts. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.